Blogger Linda Ikeji spoils herself with 85 pairs of shoes to mark 40th birthday. Says she couldn't stop shopping, hence the decision to buy 85 designer shoes and bags. Linda Ikeji turned 40 on Saturday, September 19, 2020, and to mark the special day, she got herself 85 pairs of shoes. The media mogul took to her Instagram page where she showed off the designer's shoes. According to her, she wanted to get just 40 shoes but couldn't stop buying more of the shoes as she was blown away by their beauty.